me share my screen. Okay. Hello. So now is 22 October, 7 p.m. and we are on our third sprint and also one of our last uh stand-ups for this whole Scrum project. Can y'all see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so what I've done is like I've done notifications. So I'll demo what I have done. My part is mainly the task update notification, the task assignment, and the collaborations, as well as the view all notifications one. So I'll just go one by one. So the first one, actually, should I show? Otherwise, like, it'll take a lot of time.
I think don't need demo. That
Okay,
one screen review.
okay. So this is one of the task update summary. So this is the task assignment summary, and the notification will get based on like the user's notification preferences. Then they'll also receive like similar like email, like similar structure for the email preference. Let me see if I have. Oh yeah, so it's here. Eh, cannot move. Okay, y'all can see this email. Can y'all see this email?
Yep. Looks
Okay,
good.
so yeah, this is an example. Then this is a view all notifications. You can choose all unread or read. Then you can sort by newest and oldest. Okay, that's all for my part. You can go with Yuan now.
Sorry, actually, can I go first?
Oh yeah,
Okay.
sure.
Okay, thank you. Can go to the my tasks page. Then basically what I've done is the under create new task, and you press create new task. So there's the recurrence part at the end. Yeah. Then basically daily, weekly, bi-weekly. And then I think I just pushed the code. So there's one more which is custom. So it allows the user to customize the interval.
Mm,
Yeah, and then now it works. Then under okay, then I think I can go out first. Then can press like create subtasks. Then add subtasks. Then it basically is supposed to work the same. But I think there's one blocker which I'm facing now is that under subtasks, right, the recurrence fields are not being like saved. So means the subtask can be added in, but the recurrence field is none. Like it's now can't seem to figure out why. And it's specifically only for subtasks.
mm.
Yeah. So
Sorry, what
I
is none again?
the recurrence view. So when I set recurrence, right, it will be now, although I set it to daily, for example.
Mm, okay.
Yeah. So I think I will need some help for that probably.
Okay.
Yeah. Then I'm working on the department viewing schedule thing.
This one is it?
Yeah, but you have to be a director to view it lah. So yeah. But
Mm,
basically
okay.
this but director viewing.
Wait, Alicia, for the part where the recurrence is none, is it like a endpoint connection problem? Like as in it's not updating the database, is it?
The weird thing is that everything is updated. So like all the name is all sent into database. Just specifically the recurrence part is not. So if you add collaborators, everything it will send properly except for the recurrence part. And it's only for subtasks. So if you do it for tasks, it will send to database correctly.
Mm, okay. I think we can move on first. Who wants to go next? Yuan
I don't have much updates from the last Scrum meeting, but um the previous Scrum meeting I was working on test the unit and integration test scripts, and then like I just found out that my integration test was failing for one of the microservice, like for comments, but I think I found the issue with that already. So I'll go and fix it later.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll be working on the notifications for due dates also. Okay.
Okay. 这位
For me, I completed the unit and integration testing for report, and then integrated it into the CI pipeline as well. Then I didn't really face any blockers, so I'll be working on the front end functional test cases next, like the scripts.
Okay. Angela.
For me, I completed the comment section. So if you press into any of the tasks, then you scroll down, you can try commenting. Yeah, so they are able to see all your comment. Then after that, you also can edit or delete your comment.
Okay.
Yeah, then I also like fix a small bug is cause that time we discussed like if your staff and you create the task, you will be auto add as a collaborator. Yeah, that's why the email is being put as a log icon. But if manager and director, they won't have a creator email show in a collaborator field.
Is it like that?
No, if you go to my task, right, you go create new task. Then now your identity is manager or director, right?
Yeah.
They won't have the collaborator email, like they won't show the email of your creator. But if you're staff, they will show the creator email.
Wait, I don't really get it.
So basically, the director or manager cannot add themselves as a collaborator.
I mean,
Okay.
they can add themselves as a collaborator, but they need to manually type. But if, for example, stuff you create, right, your email will be already show in a collaborator email.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Kali, you can share your screen now.
Wait.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry, I got a question. Like for the comments, right? How do you mention someone in the comments?
Like you mean notify the person?
Like tag someone. Do we need that?
Like, will it come up? Like,
Oh no, I haven't fixed that.
Okay. Is that part is necessary, right?
Yeah, that one fall under notification.
Okay.
Okay, can.
okay.
On my screen?
Yep.
I sent a request. Thank you. Okay, I'll just share my whole desktop because I think need to see the file. Y'all can see?
Yep.
Okay, so this is just a small update from the previous Scrum meeting, but for the assignment of task, basically I fixed it such that, like, let's say, okay, I just created test projects because I didn't have any in there. But basically, like, example, if right now, don't know who this is, but hold on now.
It's
I think my
me.
user, oh, it's you? Okay. Yeah, so if let's say there's only 2 members in here, right? It was like me and the integration test user. And this task itself is like Alicia as a collaborator. Basically, if I drag it, because now this task, oh my God, I forgot which one I clicked. Basically, this task that has no project assignment, if I drag it in, okay, the task with no project is Alicia. I drag it in, it will auto update, and then Alicia becomes a collaborator for this project as well. Yeah, so I haven't fixed this yet, but I want to make it such that if I add a task instead, like on this project screen, so that means if I add a task here, I'm gonna edit it such that the emails shown will only be emails of like the collaborators inside this project. Do you understand? Do you get? Like as in
Yes.
I can
Yes.
only add me, Yanqi or Alicia as a collaborator. So I like don't want to be able to add other people because they are not collaborator of the project. Yes. Okay, for reports. So I'm manager, so I can view personal and team report. My team report, okay, I can try the team report. Actually, not, I'll show the personal report first. So for either reports, basically once you click it, it will show you get to input start date, end date, and then your format. I'll just randomly key in a date. And then if I do PDF, then it'll generate. Okay, so I went to read the AC. I haven't done there's one AC at the bottom. I think it's for exporting reports regarding wait, correct me if I'm wrong. It's the one where you should be allowed to cancel, right? When it's like exporting the report. I think
Yeah.
that's what, yeah, I haven't done that part yet, but I'll work on that. So basically, I think what I'm envisioning is like maybe like one part here that shows, like on Canva when you download a report and then it'll show you the progress of the download. It'll probably show like that, then you can cancel it lah. Right now it's actually quite fast, so yeah, but there's no cancel. Yeah, but basically,
Wait,
oh,
is
I can just show
cancel
it here.
necessary?
I don't know, it's spelled AC. We can remove it.
Yeah, it's not necessary actually.
Actually,
Yeah.
oh yeah, okay,
Yeah.
then can remove ba? We don't really
Mm,
need it, right?
mm.
Yes, but it looks something like this. I didn't really fix it yet. What Tue has, but I think it looks actually not the ugliest. It's okay lah. It's just some parts, like you see the text here, it will overlap if the collaborator list is very long. We just need to like wrap the text. But other than that, it's like that. Yeah, then for team report is just similar. Hold on. Yeah, I'm just gonna quickly. Let me try Excel.
I mean,
Don't even know if
I think it's okay lah. I think don't need that more lah. Can
yeah.
review. But
Oh, okay. I can't even open my Excel now.
I think JSON format don't really need bar. Don't
Don't
think
need? Okay, I can remove. Because now, okay, I show you the JSON. It literally just prints it like that.
yeah, like a bit
Yeah,
like
a bit ugly lah.
yeah. Then actually for the collaborator, right? Your project collaborator, just now you say you only
Mhm.
the people that is under the project, right?
Mm.
Actually, I'm not sure, but I feel like you can add people that is not in the project as well. Then when you add them, they will automatically become your project collaborators.
That was actually my initial AC, but then I was like thinking like if someone's not in a project, and because right now if like it's like you're adding the task straight into the project, right? That means it's auto filled in for that project. Like I don't know in what situation would I be adding a collaborator that's not part of my project. You know what I mean? I mean, if it doesn't make sense, I can change that logic. You do it like the previous one. So that means like what you said, I can add anyone and then it auto add here. What do y'all think?
I
Which
agree
one will
with
be
you
better?
on this one.
So that means even if I add a task here under a specific project, I should be able to add anyone.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, can ba? I can change it. As in now I can add anyone. It's just I don't think it will auto. I need to check later. But yes. Yeah, so I'll fix this logic then. And then I'll probably actually the report one is done. I'll remove JSON as a format to view.
Mm.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
And then I will start working on documentation for whatever.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. That's the end. Let me start recording.
See you later.